Hey, what's going on, guys? I think this video I'm actually going to go ahead and clean off these brackets for the coil packs. I'm going to go ahead and disassemble them, just clean them up a little bit. I think I am going to reuse these gaskets. These look fairly new, well taken care of. They're just a little dirty, so I'll go ahead and clean these as well. If they don't work when I put it together, super easy to replace anyways. And I'll probably go ahead and obviously toss these away. I'll go ahead and clean the bottom side of these valve covers as well. So I'll put y'all on a time lapse. I'm gonna do both of them and enjoy.
Perfect.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little time lapse of me cleaning this side valve covers and coil packs, wire harness, and the bracket. Here's this one. You can tell how clean it is if we compare it to the other side. Not where you guys are going to be able to pick that up, but as you can tell, this one's extremely grimy. That's how this one was, but now you can tell it's very clean. I don't know about y'all, but I'd rather be working on clean stuff than dirty stuff. Just makes it easier to spot leaks or any issues that might arise, or if you're working on a vehicle and you're trying to figure out what the issue is, it's usually easier to find it when it's clean. Yeah, I'll probably do this one real quick. I'll put it on a time lapse, but I don't know if I'll actually upload it. I know the other time lapse is pretty long, same process.
Perfect.
Yeah, just like that. Both valve covers, brackets for the coil packs, and the harness are clean. You probably saw in the time lapse, I went ahead and removed the stock filler neck for truck style, and I just went ahead and put the the OEM filler cap on here. These are just plug and play. You probably saw me struggle. I had to take out the pliers because this thing's probably never been removed. But yeah, they cleaned up very well. I might go ahead and paint these. I'm not sure yet, or send them somewhere locally to get powder coated. Depends how much I want to spend. I do have just regular wrinkle black paint. I believe I have wrinkle red also, but I'll see what I do. If you're wondering what I use to clean it, just regular simple green. A couple toothbrushes, a pick just to get into those little tight areas. Some and then this brush. I think I picked this up at Harbor Freight, $2 or $3, as well as some rags. I have a bunch of shop rags here. Same with these. I always stock up every time I go to the auto parts store, so I have more there, and I have another one there. They're always handy. Here's the engine. Haven't really done much since last time you guys saw it. I'm waiting to get a tool to be able to pull off the pulley. I might have one at work. I'm not too sure. I might be able to borrow it. If not, I'll go rent one tomorrow. Today's 25th. Everything's pretty much closed. That way I can pull this off. I can go ahead and pull off this front timing cover. That way I can keep cleaning and inspecting everything that I need to. I will pull off the dipstick, obviously, whenever I get to that point. And I'll probably mock everything up with this oil pan while I wait to figure out if I actually need a front sump. If not, I might just need a shorter clearanced rear sump. But once I start throwing it into the car, that's when I'll know exactly what I need. I did get a hold of FabBot. They told me that my bracket should mail out tomorrow and hopefully be here this weekend, so I can actually work on that this weekend as well, and hopefully do a time lapse on installing that adapter plate onto the transmission. I'm very excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Go ahead and comment, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching.